Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance app. First, download the Binance app from your device's app store. Next, create your account using an email or phone number and set a strong password. It's crucial to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock all features and higher transaction limits. Finally, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to protect your assets. Once your account is set up, you'll want to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by selecting the desired coin and generating a deposit address. Alternatively, purchase crypto directly using a debit or credit card, often with a minimum of $15. Bank transfers are also available for fiat deposits, or you can use the peer-to-peer trading feature to buy crypto with your local currency from other users. Now, let's dive into trading. The Binance app offers various trading options, including spot trading for immediate asset exchange and futures trading for those interested in leveraged positions. When placing an order, you can choose a market order for instant execution at the current price, or a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price you set. Remember to utilize stop-loss orders to manage risk effectively and protect your investments. Finally, managing your assets and maintaining security are paramount. The wallet section provides a clear overview of your portfolio balance and asset distribution. When withdrawing funds, ensure you use the correct network and address to avoid loss. Regularly review your security settings, including login activity and authorized devices. Staying updated with the latest app versions ensures you benefit from new features and enhanced security protocols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.